I know. This is what the screen looks like.
I made up a whole bunch of stuff.
As soon as you submerge a little bit, then they pop.
Oh, that's very attractive. A little deformed.
Small, compact, easy to row with. I was used to breathe fresh air.
Parliament Hill. Hey, I got the camera right here. I got the Buckles cam.
Buckles cam.
This is. There's the eternal flame. Buckles cam. Oh, look at sad Buckles over there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm so sweaty in here. Holy crap. It's like pretty cool outside, you know, rain and everything. But gotta find a way to jump down. Let's see if we can see. It's so sweaty. I can't imagine what it'd be like 30 degrees in here. 30. Alright, we're going for lunch now.